Hello, my name is Azeib. I wanted to talk about TMAU. TMAU is a disorder known as a fish syndrome or fish odor syndrome, and it is a disorder makes you smell whenever you eat some protein like fish, meat, chicken, egg, or processed food, biscuit, and cake makes you smell. Now what I wanted to talk about is TMAU. It's not known, even the doctors, they don't know how to treat it, but they feel lucky you can get diagnosed. But still, even though the medicine, the antibiotic you take, it doesn't cure the illness, and the symptoms are very not good. Could make you neglected, and it is not easy to do with this life, that fast life. It's very difficult. It makes you feel isolated from the society, friends and family and work, everything. What do I think about TMAU? TMAU is a blessing. A blessing, I would say, because it gives you a chance to know your body. It gives you a chance to learn your body. Why me? Why us? Why? There is different way your body is shouting. To some people, they become overweight. That's shouting. Your body is saying, what you're doing to me, I'm not accepting it. So there is in different ways. Some people, they lose a lot of weight. There is many different symptoms. But TMAU is smell. So it's very difficult to mix with people. It's very difficult to just get up and go out and get something or just get up and get out. No, you have to plan maybe some days before, if you have some meeting or gathering or something to do. So it does give you a lot of time to think, to be close with yourself. You just spend a lot of time. You become organized. There will be a lot of time spending time with your body, with yourself, which is fantastic. That's why I say it's blessing. So if you spend a lot of time spending with yourself, it means you're learning yourself. Actually, that's why we came to this world, to know, to experience, to enjoy ourselves. So here you go. That's the only way to know yourself, is when you are just pausing. I think TMAU is giving us something to pause and think. What's going on? What's my body telling me? What happened to my body? Why my body is not accepting egg? Fried egg, very nice. Why is not accepting fried chicken? Why my body is not accepting meat, fish, all this good protein? Is it good protein? Where does this chicken come from? Where does it come from? Why my body is not liking it? These things we need to know. We need to ask ourselves. We're just not gonna say I smell. No. No one smells. Because if you don't put this food, you don't smell. Only when you put these things, you smell. So our understanding need to be shifted higher. There is no way that you can skip these things, because it's quite serious. If you put weight, I think maybe you buy bigger clothes according to your size. If you're slim, you do that. If you are in pain, you'll eat painkiller. But this is special. This is different, Even though you're not mixing, if you are eating yourself, you say, oh, you don't like it. So your body is communicating with you beautifully. So that's why I say it's a blessing. I really, really wanted to know. If you think this is not blessing, I wanted to know. But imagine if you eat something not right, and your body is telling you, no, 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 don't do that. It is a blessing. You have got another friend who talks to you clearly, which doesn't want you to mix doing something you shouldn't do to the body. It's really, we need to sit and think about it. It is a blessing. Your body is telling you to know your body and to appreciate it. Meaning, eat good food, not chemical food, but good food. Your body is telling you, relax. Your body is telling you, wash. Your body is telling you, exercise. Your body is telling you, sit and think by yourself. Because the only time to think and to sit by yourself, it's when you are by yourself only you can think. If you use someone else, you'll be talking, there'll be no thinking. Thinking means give it time to yourself to just maybe stay still, not think. The only time you could do that is only by yourself. Your body is telling you exercise, your body is telling you eat good food. Your body is telling you, I cannot have this food that you are eating. Whatever it reacts. For example, some people they say carrot is fine, and some people they say carrot is not fine. Why carrots for some people? It's not because the people body is different, but the kind of the carrot as well. Most of the carrot is macro carrot. What kind of carrot is it? The same. It doesn't have to be fish or meat. Maybe it might be Greta. God knows how many times been processed. Why do we smell when we eat chicken now? Why? Maybe the chicken was not happy? We really need to know. Is it just the chicken sitting, not playing? You know, in some countries, the chicken, they go and play. They work very hard for their food. And they know, they're very smart. They know to their home. They don't wander to another people's home. So, what kind of chicken you eating? This we need to know. So, we really, really need to know what we are doing. And what we're saying as well is very, very important. We smell. No, we don't smell at all. Especially what I wanted to talk is if the children are suffering from this, they should know they are so special, they are unique. They're not smelling, they are just breathing. They are just breathing out. Breathing out, maybe gas. The body is changing it to something else. So we really need to know. If we don't know, we shouldn't just telling them. I don't know how to put this, but we have to be careful, especially with children. With adults, it's okay, but children, no, they don't smell. They react to the food they are eating, and the food, they need to be educated. They need to know the food, and we have to educate ourselves as well. What the food that we are eating is not like the food. They are so different, I would say. So that's what I would say about TMAU. It's a blessing. It will give us time to know ourselves, our body, and to be harmony with our food, with our body and food. Then we will choose what we say and what we put in our mouths. Azeib. Bye.